Most people think wealth comes from hard work. But the truth is, hard work alone doesn't build wealth. Leverage does. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems that multiply time, effort, and results. Today, I'll show you how the leverage loop works. The system that lets you earn more without working more. You've heard it your whole life. Work hard and you'll succeed. But here's the problem. There's a ceiling on hard work. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can't outwork time. The wealthy understand that effort alone is limited. So instead of trying to work harder, they build leverage systems that make every hour produce more value. Leverage is what separates effort from impact. Leverage isn't luck, it's structure. It means using tools, people, and systems to multiply output. It's how one person can create results that look impossible to everyone else. There are 4 types of leverage the wealthy use. Time leverage, systems that work while you rest. Skill leverage, turning expertise into scalable value. Network leverage, connecting with people who open doors. Capital leverage, using money to create more money. Each type builds on the others. Together, they form the leverage loop, a cycle that compounds results automatically. Here's how the leverage loop works. Step 1, build value. You start by creating something that solves a problem, a product, a service, or a skill. This is your foundation. Step 2, systemize delivery. You design a process that delivers that value without constant effort. Automation, delegation, or digital tools turn your work into a repeatable system. Step 3, multiply reach. You use platforms, networks, and technology to reach more people with the same effort. Social media, partnerships, and digital distribution expand your impact. Step 4, reinvest returns. You take the results and reinvest them into better tools, better systems, and better reach. That reinvestment creates the next loop, stronger, faster, and more profitable. Each loop compounds the last. That's how the wealthy scale from one idea to an empire. Most people never escape the first stage. They build value, but they never systemize it. They stay stuck doing everything manually. They confuse activity with progress. The wealthy know that systems create freedom. If you can't step away from your work without losing income, you don't own a business, you own a job. The leverage loop fixes that by turning effort into structure. Here's how to start building your own loop. Step 1, identify your core value. Ask, what problem do I solve better than most people? That's your leverage base. Tortoise. Create a repeatable process document how you deliver that value. Then, automate or delegate the steps that don't require your direct input. 3, expand reach, use digital tools to scale your message, video, automation, or partnerships. Reach multiplies leverage. 4, reinvest wisely. Don't spend returns on lifestyle yet. Reinvest into better systems, better tools, and better people. That's how you compound growth. 5, track efficiency, not effort. Measure how much output you get per hour, not how many hours you work. Wealth is built through efficiency, not exhaustion. Every time your system loops, your results multiply. Your time becomes more valuable. Your income becomes more predictable. Your freedom expands. The wealthy don't chase more work. They chase better loops. Each loop adds another layer of automation, reach, and reinvestment. That's how they grow faster while doing less. Stop asking, how can I work harder? Start asking, how can I build leverage? Hard work builds income. Leverage builds wealth. Hard work creates stress. Leverage creates freedom. The moment you start building loops instead of tasks, you stop trading time for money and start multiplying results. Wealth isn't built by effort. It's built by leverage, by systems, by loops that compound over time. If you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, subscribe to The Money Blueprint. This is how the rich multiply results, one leverage loop at a time.